Hi everyone, Harold from A1 Driving School in Auckland. Today we're doing a video on steering. Let's go and have a look. Please watch our video on seat adjustment first. Okay, we have our hands in the 9 and 3 position and we have our thumbs on the upper part of the steering wheel. When we turn the wheel, we shuffle the wheel. We pull one hand down and we push the other one up. So we're shuffling the wheel around. Our hands are pretty much staying in the same position, but the wheel is moving through our hands and we're coming back the same way. Okay, 3 advantages to this type of steering. First of all, our arms are nice and straight in this position, so we have good strength. The second one is our hands are near the controls, the indicators, the windscreen wipers. And the third thing is that we keep the airbag clear. So if the airbag was to go off, we're not blocking the airbag. Our arms are away from the airbag in this type of steering. Thanks for watching our steering video. We hope you find it informative. Please check out our YouTube channel for more videos.